Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check if your VIVO X200 is on the blacklist. Okay, so let's begin. So as you can see, currently I'm on the IMEI.info page. To get into this page, just type IMEI.info and press enter and you will simply get into. Now in this bar you want to type your email number if you don't know how to check your email number. Also on our channel we have a video when I describe this whole page, and then I'm showing how to get your email. Okay, so once it's done, we just need to simply click on this blue button, email. Okay, now we have our VIVO X200 Pro. If you scroll down, we have also the basic information about our phone. In here also we can expand, but we are interested in the basic checks and the free options. And as you can see, the first option is the blacklist simple check, so just simply click on it, and now we need to click on this big blue button, check blacklist status. Okay, now the process is started, so we need to wait until it's finished. Okay, and now we have our results and the confirmation that this device is clean, so we don't need to worry. Also below we have the information about the brand, the model, our email number, the confirmation that the device is clean, the date when the report was created at, and also if you want you can order the premium check. So to get this, simply click on this blue button, order now. But as you can see, it costs $4 and the time needed is from 10 seconds to 10 minutes. Again, if we scroll down, also we have in here the comparison. We can click on this and we get the big photo, and on the left we have the example how the information will look when the phone is blacklisted, and on the right how it will look like when the device is clean. Okay, so also if you want you can click in here to read more about Blacklist Check Pro, and if you scroll down you'll see the advantages of using the Blacklist Premium Check. So the result is fast, accurate and detailed. The result is saved on your IMEI.info account history, so you can download the PDF certificate anytime. All results in premium service contains PDF certificate which you can share. And if your device is blacklisted, the result contains many details such as model, manufacturer, blacklisted by, blacklisted country, and the blacklisted on. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.